We're on our way to check out a house in Ali'i Shores, which is in Kaneohe on the windward side of Oahu. It is one of the nicer areas of Kaneohe. It's right up against Kaneohe Bay. Is anybody living here right now?
No, their grandson lives on the mainland.
Do you care if we check it out?
Go ahead. I got some masks over there if you guys need some.
Dang, it's that bad, need masks?
Good luck.
Are there any like nice custom tile in there?
What is this? Oh my gosh. This is horrible.
It smells really bad.
Look at how tiny this kitchen is. Cut out slabs of granite on top of the Formica. This house is in horrible shape. I mean, I see a big bay window, but can you even tell if there's a view out there?
No, I just see a lot of big trees and stuff. So this is your front door.
Yep.
So you walk in, this could be a moment. Okay, I'm gonna go up these stairs and see what this is. You know, I like a good railing. I feel like you could do something. It just feels dark. But then you have a window into what looks like...
Primary?
Yeah.
Is the bathroom on that side?
Yeah. I feel like you could make this a really cool situation. It has to be reworked. There's tons of space in here to make something really, really cool.
Let's go check out the deck.
Kind of sketchy.
I mean, it's a big deck.
This is $1 million view.
You can say that again.
Thank you, Kanai. Thank you. Let's
Well,
go
we
give
still
him.
haven't bought
Let's
it
go
yet.
give him a hug.
We still haven't bought it yet. We have to buy it first.
Oh my gosh. There's water damage. It was like there was a flood down here or something.
What?
There was a total flood down
Water all the way up to here.
there. So we have water issues.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not going in there.
This is a full bath.
It's a very, very small full bath. It's very claustrophobic. So is this corner.
This whole space feels claustrophobic.
Here's one of your bedrooms.
It's like 10 by 12.
It feels so small.
It's like a slider out to your backyard.
This is so underwhelming for the house.
Especially if all the bedrooms are down here. This is all we got.
This is too small for a $2 million house. Bedroom.
Second one down
Okay,
here.
but this one feels bigger.
It does feel a little bigger, but not by much.
With such a separation from the primary to all the other bedrooms, it's not ideal for some families.
There's no way we hit anywhere near 2 million with this bed bath count.
There's a lot of unknowns.
What I do know is that this current layout
Doesn't work.
Doesn't
It
work.
doesn't work, and I need to leave.
Wow, look at the deck, babe. Looks rough. Looks like there was a deck that came all the way out, though.
It looks like you have a level lot, you know what I mean? Like you have some flat yard capability.
Clear that out, put in sod. We need to talk about numbers a little bit. Like, what are you thinking?
I mean,
Rehab?
it's hard to tell you exactly, but you're talking about adding 300 square feet minimum, an unknown water issue, going higher end with the finishes,
Yeah.
rebuilding decks, like it's a lot. 300, easy.
300?
Easy.
Based on the comps, we can probably sell this property for right around 1.7 million. Reno's gonna be 300,000. Holding and selling costs are right at 250 grand. And our minimum profit has to be $150,000 on this project, which means we have to buy this house for right around $1 million then. Hey, is this Eric?
Yeah, this is him.
My name's Kamohai. I actually own a real estate investment company. I got your number from Kanai.
Oh, okay.
He was telling me that you guys might be interested in selling the property.
What's the problem?
They already have 3 offers at $1 million, and he's not even taking those.
What does he want?
1.2 million.
That's too high.
This
Is he
is,
open to negotiation? I mean,
I'm thinking that that number is around 1.1. 1.1 is really more than we want to spend for this house, but this neighborhood has so much potential. The views, the location, I think we got to go up. I reached back out and offered $100,000 more, and we'll take the house as is. We're gonna get demo started.
give me something to break. Guys, this is not...
Well, all of this stuff and the kitchen, gone.
Is this supposed to be... Oh, it's coming!
Whoa, there's a rat.
Live one?
A big
Bro.
Oh, nope. Nope, nope, nope.
You wanna go check out what it looks like out there, how it's going? Let's go. Oh, yeah?
Not bad. I mean, I don't see termite damage.
Me neither, I see none.
So in order for us to hit a $2 million price point, we have to do a lot. We have big issues with this house. The existing primary bedroom is on the 3rd floor, 2 floors away from the rest of the bedrooms. That might turn off families with young kids. That's a risk that we're willing to take for having a primary with a huge ensuite and a walk-in closet. So we're gonna leave the primary where it is. Kitchen doesn't work where it is. It's too small.
Yep.
And the other one is it's only a 3-2. We need it to be a 4-2.
4 bedroom.
I want to enclose this to make it more livable interior square footage. I want this to become exterior wall. Your kitchen comes into this space. This is now perimeter of your kitchen. Beneath us is your 4th bedroom. 1, 2, 3. Right next to
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. And then you still have your living room with that. And I think it should be a 4-3. So I want to put a bathroom over there.
Over there.
Yeah, over there in the corner.
It's a good idea, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just let's play around with it and draw it up. But I'm gonna go get our kids. Demo is finished, and the crew has moved on to framing the interior and siding the exterior.
When we first walked the downstairs, we saw noticeable water damage. We found out that the bottom bathroom had a cracked plumbing pipe and it had been leaking. Luckily, we had budgeted to totally replumb the whole house, and so now we're not gonna have to deal with any issue.
I'm here to get some measurements for the glass railings and the accordion door that we need to order. I mean, I've always wanted to use glass railings, and I feel like this is the property we get to do that. And what better way to use glass railings than to also use a big wall of glass doors so you can see straight out.
I love it.
The final countdown.
It's not that yet. We're like in the middle countdown. In the past week, the crew has installed a new roof. They started painting the garage black, which will make it look super modern and definitely stand out to buyers. They've started building the deck, and they finished plumbing and electrical roughing.
I think we gotta go big with design and luxury and fanciness on the garage door.
Okay, like
the expensive ones, babe, that you have to special order. We didn't.
so what is it?
It's like $20,000.
$20,000?
We normally spend about $5,000 to maybe $8,000 on a garage door, but I feel like for this house, we need to up our game. This is what greets you. And buyers make their decision within like seconds of seeing the home.
We need to make this something special, but not $20,000 special.
It needs to have that type of feel, though.
This actually reminds me of that door that you put in.
I knew that
last
you were gonna
year.
say that.
I feel like this door, it gives off the similar vibes. You get glass throughout.
It'll work.
And we're still gonna get the value that we need out of it.
Okay. While we're waiting for the garage door to arrive, we're finishing up the beautiful accent wall and the crew's installing countertops.
The new garage door was a $10,000 hit. But because we have a relationship with the garage door company, we do a lot of volume and business with them. They waived a $2,000 expedited shipping fee, and we got the door here in 2 weeks.
Furniture has arrived and staging can begin. Construction's done. Furniture is in. I was really starting to wonder if we were ever gonna be done with this house. All of the special orders put us back weeks, but seeing the end result, it was totally worth it.
All right, so Sean's on his way over here. So
You wanna go outside?
go out there? Yeah.
See what he says. Like, that can't be sticking up like that.
What's up, brother?
Hi.
How are you?
Based on what we saw at the comp house, I think we can match what they're listing for and get over $2 million. We're bringing our realtor and friend Sean over to the house to see if he agrees.
It's a completely different house. What do you think of the exterior?
I grew up around the corner, so it's like
I knew you lived from
Did grow up in
Kamohai.
right around the
Kamohai.
corner.
I
Yeah.
knew it. So you
So
watched
it's like,
this house.
yeah, I never thought we'd come to this day to see a house at this level. You know,
Yeah,
it's like
yeah.
mind blowing.
All right, well, let's go inside.
God.
You like it?
Guys, I love it. This is beautiful.
It was really bad in here. Dirty, dingy, gross.
Knowing how bad it was now to come in to see something like this, I just can't even believe it. Oh, look at this.
And
Look at
this is what the
view.
house is about.
This is the house.
Wow, and I love that you utilize all the windows to see out.
So
You know,
this
there's
is
nothing
an
holding you
accordion
back.
door, so this whole thing opens
This
up.
No
door
way.
Yeah.
opens all the way up
Incredible.
to this side. So
Had to do
indoor,
it.
outdoor.
Love it.
Yeah. So shockingly, this living room had no windows out to the view. It made no sense. When we walked that comp house, they had this feature wall, and I was like, I think our house needs it. So we came up with this.
Amazing.
And then he and I put it on the wall. What do you think of the kitchen?
Incredible. What was in this space prior?
This was a deck with holes, very unsafe, like you couldn't walk on half of it.
I mean, look at how the colors flow so well. What type of countertop is that?
Quartz.
It's quartz.
This waterfall island's amazing. Look at the width, too.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
you're
got
not,
a
You
ton
don't
of
see that
excited.
often. You got a separate dining zone. You got a little bar in the corner there. And I think that's what sets this house apart is it has a separate bar. Pushing price, it takes having something special like this to give people a reason to get to the level.
100%.
I agree.
Yeah.
Total
These
entertainer.
details.
You know what I mean? And so yeah, we ran the quartz over here as well.
Oh my God. What's behind here?
Laundry.
Isn't laundry spaces supposed to be ugly or?
Not anymore. I'm making laundry fun again. And then behind door number 2 is a full bath.
Your main floor
Not a half bath,
bathroom.
but a full.
No,
Wow.
full
bath.
bath.
Now that is really elevated. Dual sinks. You still got the wood detail in here too.
Always.
Love it.
You'll see it everywhere.
Look at these mirrors.
This is the main floor of the house, and there was no bathroom on this floor.
Like you would have to go up into the primary or all the
Or
way downstairs.
all the way down
And it
to-
just was weird, right?
And it's usually a half bath with a single sink. So
Exactly. The texture.
I know it's like real. It's not
so
just
this
paint.
is the primary.
Wow, this is amazing.
You know?
And that view, I can't get away
Oh,
from
you
view.
can see it. There was a beehive literally in the wall right there.
Hundreds of bees dead on the ground, and then you could see them just swarming outside
the wall
that
was
window.
hot from them being in
Wow,
there. Yeah,
so they've been
it
there
was
for
hot.
years.
Yeah,
Primary suite.
with views again.
This is amazing. I love that you use the same direction,
You
like the entry
picked
area.
that up. Exactly.
It's cohesion,
I love
cohesion,
the
cohesion.
relationship.
And the original space, this is where the primary was. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms downstairs. When you walk down, you'll see that bathroom.
So full bath.
Awesome.
We knew we needed to have a bathroom on every level,
Right.
right?
This was the worst part of the house.
I
well.
feel like
So
it felt like dungeony down here. It was like a dungeon.
So this was always a bathroom. It's the tiniest, but it's super functional.
I love how elevated it is in here. I like that every area is not exactly the same. You might have the same countertops and cabs, but
Exactly.
you change this up a bit. Just
Exactly.
so you don't get bored of the same
Right,
thing.
right.
100%.
Exactly. So you have bedroom 1.
Wow, it flows right to the deck.
Stage is kind of a kid's room, but paying homage to the bees that we relocated.
We brought bees back into the home because we took them out.
Yeah,
Classic.
Yeah, but it's cute.
That's
you
too
know what I
cool.
mean?
Yeah.
Super cute. So second bedroom, staged as workout
Love it.
/ yoga.
This is the future. Everybody needs it.
You ready for the last bedroom?
Let's go. Looking forward to
Go.
it.
I like this bedroom because it has a window.
Oh, I think I love this one the best of the 3. How bad was it before?
It was like a dungeon, just super closed off, very dark.
A lot of filth, a lot of stuff. It was so bad.
Nice. I love that they all have a different vibe though. It's like, feels really good.
Yeah.
You got a lot more outdoor visuals.
You want to go outside?
Let's check
Yeah,
it.
let's check out outside.
Guys, this is perfect. I love it. What was in the backyard prior?
Bro,
A jungle.
it was rubbish trees.
Yeah.
There may or may not have been a few workers that had stepped through the
Oh,
deck.
wow.
That's how bad it was.
It was bad.
Look at the
Always.
size of this deck.
You can have
Dude,
like 50 people on this
huge
thing.
deck, right?
Huge family parties, everything.
Incredible.
You even get yard,
Yep.
but you get view from every room. You have this huge deck.
All right, well, you've seen everything.
You got some time, we'll go up and maybe talk about it.
Yep.
All right, what we got?
If you're asking for a price, I would say, so I think 2.2 is accurate. I think that'll bring enough attention to find that one good buyer.
Awesome.
I agree.
This house has definitely been a journey. We purchased the property for $1.1 million and we listed it for $2.25 million.
So we had a handful of open houses. Tons of people came through. We had about 5 private showings, and out of that, we had 2 offers. The offer we accepted was at asking, and they even wanted the furniture, which is really, really cool.
So after everything's said and done, spending more money on holding costs, higher end finishes, we ended up walking away with a profit of $350,000. Thinking back to how rough this house was when we bought it and seeing what we have done with it, and now it's one of the nicest houses on the island.
Agreed.
It is such a huge accomplishment.
It is. It's one of the most upscale, luxurious properties we've ever done, and I feel like it was appreciated, and the buyer fell in love with it, and mission accomplished.